This is the ultimate kickstand. It is a pocket-sized folding tripod for your smartphone. Small enough to fit on your keychain in your pocket. Folds out in a few simple steps and attaches to nearly any size smartphone. There are nearly unlimited uses. It is the best way to take group photos. Using the self-facing camera and the timer, you can see yourself in the photo while you watch the countdown, and everyone gets to be in the photo at once. Great for photos in nature. The tripod can balance on almost any surface and hold the phone camera at any angle, both horizontally or vertically. Also good for taking action shots. Shooting product demos for new products. Making music for your friends. Taking a video of a performance without holding the phone in your hands. It's handy to have around the house. Good for live streaming or recording. Watching videos or video chatting, hands-free. And my personal favorite, time-lapse photography. Support our campaign on Kickstarter and share with your friends so that you can get one of your very own ultimate kickstands. The best phone accessory you will ever have.